In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Klarna account. How do I close my Klarna account? 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your Klarna account removes your profile and personal information and ends your access to past orders, saved payment methods, and rewards. Klarna may retain limited data if required by law, and you won't be able to manage existing orders once the process starts. Make sure you've paid off any outstanding balances, waited for refunds to complete, and downloaded statements you might need for your records. Ready? Let's walk through it together. Start by opening the Klarna app on your phone, or sign in on Klarna's website using the same account details you normally use. If prompted for verification, complete it securely and avoid sharing codes with anyone. Once you're in, head to your profile. On mobile, this is typically your avatar or initials. On desktop, it's usually at the top right. Your profile is where all account and privacy controls live. Inside your profile opens security and privacy. This is the section that manages how your account is protected and how your data is handled. From there, choose privacy rights. Klarna centralizes data requests here so you can easily manage what the company stores about you. Now select Delete Personal Information. This option initiates the closure process for your account and the removal of your personal data. You'll see information about what this means, including the loss of access to order history and save details. Take a moment to read it so there are no surprises. You'll be asked to select a reason for leaving. Pick the option that best matches your situation. This helps Klarna improve, but it won't change the outcome of your request. When you're ready, tap Continue. Review any notices carefully. If you still have active orders, pending payments, or a recent refund in progress, Klarna may ask you to resolve those first. Clearing those items now will prevent delays. Finally, confirm by selecting Delete Account. You may be asked to authenticate again for security. Once confirmed, Klarna will start processing the request. You should receive a confirmation message or email, and the account will become unavailable as the deletion moves forward. Timelines can vary by region and legal requirements. If you don't see the option, update the app and try again, or access your account from a web browser. And if your account can't be deleted due to an outstanding obligation, settle that first, then repeat these steps. That's it. Your Klarna account deletion request is in motion. Thanks for watching and take care.